Back for more algebra fun. Go Bearcats. Number 31. We're looking for a linear function. Linear means it has to have a common difference. Well, I'm not even going to attempt this one. This one is definitely not a common difference. B increases by 2, goes down to, oh, whoa, down 4. No, this is not a 4. You know what? This is not right either. This is definitely not a common difference. Okay, now let's look at C. On C, I can tell right here that this is going down 4, down 4, down 4. Now let's check the X's. The X's are increasing by 2, by 2, and by 2. C is definitely linear. On number 32, I can see that the y-intercept is 32. So I'm going to look in all of the tables and try to find one that has a y-intercept of 32. Looking at A, that's the y-intercept. It's not 32, so I know it's not right. Looking at B, this one could be right because that has a 32. And then on C, 0, 0, that cannot be right. And on D, this one could possibly be right because that's 32. Okay, let's start back at B. I need to see which of these I can plug in and get this right answer. So I'm going to take and plug in negative 10. So 9/5 times negative 10 plus 32. Now this should give me 14 if it's right. 5 goes into 10, negative 2. That gives me negative 18 plus 32, which is 14. So B is going to be our answer. Number 33, I'm going to basically do the same thing for each problem. I would definitely be using my Inspire calculator if I had one. So negative 4/5 times negative 10 plus 3. 5 goes into 10, negative 2. 8 plus 3 is 11. Negative 4/5 times negative 5 plus 3. That cancels, giving me negative 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plug in a 0. That one's easy. That's going to give you a 3. And the last one, negative 4/5 times 5 plus 3. The 5's cancel. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Good job. Keep it going. All right, now let's go to 34. Here it comes. There it goes. 34. We have to find out which graph works for this situation. The first thing I'm going to do again is check the y-intercept. A has a y-intercept of 5, so this could be correct. B has this y-intercept of 5. That could be correct. Looking at C, it does not have a y-intercept of 5. It cannot be right. And looking at D, again, it cannot be right because it does not have a y-intercept of 5. Now I need to see which of these has a slope of $2.50. Well, $2.50 is 5 over 2. If I take A and start at this point, and if I go up 5, 1, 2, wait a minute, hold on, what did I just do wrong? Okay, silly mistake, I see what I did. When I'm going up, a 5 is going to be just one of these boxes. So look right here, if I go up 5, I'm really going up 1, that's up 5, and then to the right 2. Up 5, to the right 2, so A has a slope of 5 over 2. Number 35 is very simple. It's $100 for each house. So if you have one house, it's going to cost you $100 plus 65 per hour. That answer is C. 36. A worm is 11 milliliters long, and it's growing at 2 milliliters per day. So we're looking for 11 plus 2 times the variable, which is B. 37, I need to find the slope. That's draw the line, minus sign. Remember that the y's go on top and the x's go on bottom. That gives me 16 over negative 2, which is negative 8. On 38, I need to find the rate of change. Remember, rate of change is y per x. So looking at 38, the y value is ounces. So I've got to answer this problem in ounces per second. Looking at this problem, you should be able to tell that it has a rise of 5 and a run of 2. So starting here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. Okay, so that's 5 ounces for every 2 seconds. You also could say 2.5 ounces per second. Number 39, I have to figure out which representation does not have the same slope. Looking at this line, it's up 1 and over 3, so the slope is 1/3. So I'm looking for a slope that is not positive 1/3. Checking A, I have 0 minus negative 1 over 6 minus 3. That gives me positive 1/3. Looking at B, the y values are decreasing by 1, while the x values are increasing by 3. If you put the y value over the x value, you will see that B is correct because it is incorrect.